We're building a DRZ. Sick. We've done some shopping at Aldi. Not really. I kind of forgot I had this. Yeah. We've got some stuff because if I'm going to have a DRZ, I'm going to have the best looking DRZ. Just the best DRZ in general. So I've got these RMZ450 front forks. So we got them. We've got a whole wheel set. We've got flat bars. We've got new hydraulic brakes. We've got the whole rear end. So it's pretty much a DRZ slash RMZ. Right. First thing we've got to do is clean it. So that's what we're going to do now. There we go, one clean frame. Now we can start putting on some wood chip.